Hello and welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to open an account at Mexem. I'm David, a broker analyst at BrokerChooser. In this video, we'll walk you through the account opening process at Mexem, a European broker that provides access to global financial markets. At BrokerChooser, we only recommend brokers that operate under strong regulatory oversight, and Mexem is no exception. Mexem acts as an introducing broker for Interactive Brokers, which means your assets and cash are held by Interactive Brokers Irish entity, which is regulated by Ireland's top-tier financial authority. Additionally, your funds are further protected by the fact that Interactive Brokers is listed on the Nasdaq and publishes its financials transparently. If you'd like more information about Mexem, including why it might be a smart choice for you and how it compares to both global and local competitors, visit BrokerChooser.com to read our independent review. We cover more than 100 brokers worldwide, including Mexem, and evaluate each one based on over 600 data points to help you find the ideal provider for your investment goals. And now, let's begin the account opening process at Mexem, which earned a perfect 5 out of 5 rating based on our methodology. First, click on the Open Account button at the upper right corner of the screen. This will load a new tab where you can choose from several authentication options. You can sign up using Google, Meta, which means Facebook, or your email. I usually go with email as I prefer to have more control over my data in the future. After submitting your email, you'll need to verify it with a verification code. Check your phone or another email window, then enter the code. Once verified, the system automatically moves you to the next step. Here, you'll need to fill in your personal information: your name, gender, phone number, date of birth, marital status, number of dependents, and your base currency. For base currency, you can choose from Euro, US dollar, Swiss franc, British pound, Canadian dollar, Israeli shekel, and Australian dollar. Quite a decent selection, I'd say, and it allows you to avoid unnecessary exchange fees in the future. After clicking Continue, you'll be asked to enter your address. It's a straightforward step, just type in your current residence. Clicking Continue takes you to the Document Details section. Here, the system allows you to provide either your passport, ID card, or driver's license. It's necessary to fill in your citizenship, country of birth, document number, expiry date, country of issuance, and your tax identification number, if you have one. Next, you need to give some insight into your financial situation. Select your net worth, then select the liquid part of your net worth and your annual income. In this step, you also have to answer a few questions about your trading experience, including the years of trading experience, how many trades you do per year, and your level of knowledge, which you can set to limited, good, or extensive. Now, Mexem will ask for some regulatory information. They want to know if anyone who controls the account is an employee, major shareholder, or policymaker of a publicly traded company. You also need to declare whether you or anyone in your immediate family or friend circle is a politically exposed person. After hitting Next, you'll be asked to select your investment objectives. Options include trading profits, speculation, hedging, and growth. You can choose one or more. Then, indicate the source of your wealth and assign a percentage to each source. Be aware that your choices here may impact what investment products you're allowed to trade on the platform. We're nearly done. On this screen, you need to confirm your tax residency, and in my case, I had to declare that I'm not a US citizen. By hitting Continue, you'll need to provide details about your employer and your occupation. This is partly for regulatory purposes and also to help assess your financial stability. When you continue, you enter the legal section. Here, you can review and accept all disclosures and agreements. Most people skip reading these, but it's worth understanding what you're signing up for. That said, Mexem is reviewed by BrokerChooser, so you can be confident that it's a well-regulated broker. Remember, Mexem is an introducing broker for Interactive Brokers, and on this screen, you can also decide to join Interactive's Stock Yield Enhancement Program. This lets you earn extra income by letting Interactive Brokers borrow your fully paid shares and lend them to short sellers who pay interest. This is of course just optional. So review and accept the necessary agreements and marketing consent, and then click Continue. Next, you'll need to upload your documents. On the left side, upload your proof of identity, either a passport, a national ID card, or driver's license. Make sure this matches the document you entered earlier. Then, upload proof of residence. This can be a bank statement, utility bill, notarized document, or a credit card statement. Basically, you need to verify both your identity and residence in this step. You can continue without uploading and send the documents later to documents@mexem.com, but uploading them now is the fastest way to get your account approved. After clicking through, that's it, you're done. To conclude, not including the review of agreements, the whole application took me less than 10 minutes. The longest part was locating my documents, photographing them, airdropping them to my computer, and converting them to an accepted format like JPEG. Mexem only requires 2 documents, which is practically an industry minimum. The interface was compact and user-friendly, and no minimum deposit was required during the application process, which is another big plus. We've reached the end of this video. For more information about Mexem, visit their website. If you want to compare Mexem to other global and local brokers, head to BrokerChooser.com, where we use 600 data points and a rigorous analyst team to evaluate brokers worldwide. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.